Hello friends, welcome to our channel Victory Vision 360. Today, we will talk about a technique that can help you achieve your goals, visualization. It is a process where you create a clear and vivid picture in your mind to clarify your intentions. So, in this video, let's learn some visualization techniques that can help you make your dreams a reality. Slide 1. The power of visualization. Have you ever imagined your future? Like when you tried to achieve something and felt like it was going to happen for you? That is the power of visualization. This technique not only clarifies your intentions, but also boosts your confidence. Slide 2. Technique 1. Create a picture of your future. The first technique is creating a picture of your future. Imagine you have already achieved your goal. Close your eyes and feel like your dream has come true. For example, if you want to top an exam, see yourself in that moment of receiving the award. Feel the emotion, live it as if it's real. Remember, the more emotions and clarity you bring into this picture, the more powerful your visualization will be. Slide 3. Technique 2. Mind movie. The second technique is mind movie. Think of it as creating a movie in your mind. Visualize your entire journey like scenes from a film. For example, if you want to buy a house, imagine yourself walking through that house, decorating it, and being with loved ones. Make a short mental movie that brings you closer to your goal. Slide 4. Technique 3. Visual board or vision board. The next technique is creating a vision board. Take a board and put up images related to your goals. These pictures will remind you of your goals every day and keep you motivated. Place the vision board where you can see it daily, like in your room or near your work desk. This will keep your spirits high and strengthen your intentions. Slide 5. Technique 4. Affirmations and resolutions. Along with visualization, use affirmations. Create positive statements for your goals, like, I'm going to top my exam, or I am reaching great heights in my career. Say these daily for 10 minutes and feel as if they are already true. Remember, positive statements not only inspire your mind, but also build confidence within you. Slide 6. Technique 5. Mindfulness and staying in the present moment. While visualizing, it's essential to stay mindful. Keep your mind in the present and fully immerse yourself in the experience. When you live in the moment, your thoughts and feelings are much more powerful, helping you attract your goal. So friends, these were some visualization techniques that can help clarify your goals and motivate you to achieve them. If you include these techniques in your lifestyle, watch how your dreams come true. Which technique did you like the most? And do you already use any of these? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video.